We're here at the lovely Foothills Farm in Skagit Valley. I have Matt Steinman, the farmer here, and Chef Mataio Gillis from Bellingham Schools. And we're going to learn about radishes today.
This is a radish seed from a radish called Diana from Osborne, which is here in the valley.
These little babies, they're just starting. We got two of them right there. They're just starting to really form that radish root that you're used to seeing. In another week and a half, this radish we'll show you, it'll be about that big. These are a week and a half, maybe 10 days older than that last bed that we looked at. And the lobes have really formed into nice big radishes. But yeah, these are just wonderful, delightful radishes I can't wait to eat. I personally like eating my soil. I've been eating the dirt here since I was a little kid.
Now, you've seen these on your salad bar at school. So here we go. And look at that. We have a beautiful radish salad. Buon appetito!